Whether purchased individually or provided through the company with which we work, group health insurance is often a better choice than an individual health coverage, and usually offer better and affordable policies. Single, unmarried males can receive this type of coverage for about $20 per month, and sometimes are allowed to pay the full yearly cost in advance. Through certain companies, insurance is provided as part of the salary. This means you do not need to set aside a certain amount on your own, or even have to worry about whether or not you can afford it on your budget. Many people remain worried that the level of care received through a private insurer is nowhere near comparable to that received by other people in other countries. There is a clear and unmistakable insurance crisis in the United States. Insurance companies consider the health of a human being to be a great way to wager and make money off of such a wager. This is why insurance premiums are so high, yet the coverage and approval for life-saving treatments are so low and so infrequent. On a private policy, a single man, in good health, will pay an average of about $100 per month. Anyone with a higher salary, and of course having more disposable income and no life partner, will find such a cost easy to absorb. But again, the amount of coverage can still be severely lacking. Group insurance is often the easier path for those who are living on a very tight budget, or who have very little income to begin with. This is often true for those working in the service industry, such as at retail outlets and fast food restaurants. Companies which center their employment around part-time workers or even temporary workers rarely, if ever, offer group health insurance for their employees. This is because they consider such insurance to cut into their profits. In order to receive adequate health care coverage through a group policy, it is very important to consider all of the options. This can seem a bit daunting at first, but it is vital. Without a proper understanding of what coverage our company is providing, at least in comparison to a private insurance that we can get on our own, it is impossible to adequately weigh the pros and cons between the two. It is never sufficient to assume that we are in perfect health and that we will always stay that way. Life is very unpredictable. It always pays to be fully insured and to know in advance what our plan will and will not cover.